Hi, I'm Amy Collins, bartender at Street Restaurant in San Francisco, home of strong food and real drinks. And today I'm going to be demonstrating a fruit infusion. And infused fruit is essentially any kind of dried fruit or fresh fruit that is marinated in a liquid. In this case, we're going to be using brandy to infuse Michigan sour cherries. So we take a classic jelly jar filled with our dried cherries and add as much brandy as there are cherries, so essentially to the rim. And then this sits, it can sit as long as you like. These do not go bad. But once the brandy is added, we like to let them rest overnight. And the more time that they're rested, the better they become. The end result being these lovely, gooey brandy cherries that are one of the signature ingredients in our Maker's Mark Manhattan.